Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be buying 2 more stocks on my Trading 212 portfolio. Thank you for visiting my channel Free Your Finance. My name's Gary and I talk about investing, property and savings. If this sounds like something you'd like to hear more about, please click the subscribe button below. So it's that time of the month again when I buy my random 2 stocks on Trading 212 using the magic formula investing portfolio strategy. For any of you not familiar with this strategy, I suggest you watch my first video in this sort of mini series where I explain what the formula involves. I'll put a link to that video in the top corner of this one. A very quick explanation: the formula provides me with stocks which it says are good value stocks to invest in. So far I've done it for 2 months, so I've got 4 stocks so far. I'm buying 2 stocks every month, putting £100 in of my own money each month. It says that the formula will outperform the market. I was very cautious, and on my first video I actually said I don't think this is going to be the case, but I have put my money where my mouth is and we're going to keep testing and see what comes over the next year or two. Before we get deeper into today's video, let me just quickly explain. Today's video is just for a bit of fun. It's money that I can afford to lose personally completely. It's a risky game investing in stocks at the best of times when you really know what you're doing, let alone using a formula from a book that you've read. So please don't copy along with me unless you're happy to do so under your own circumstances. This is just for a bit of fun to share with you guys on my YouTube channel. So first of all, we've got to head over onto the Magic Formula website and find the 2 stocks that we're going to invest in this month. As always, I've set my minimum market cap to 300 million, and the 2 stocks that I've picked that I'm going to put my money in this month is this Cisco Systems, and I've also picked WW International Incorporated. So now I'm going to head over onto my mobile phone, onto Trading 212 to purchase those 2 stocks. After I've purchased the 2 stocks, I will tell you how the previous 4 stocks that I've purchased over the last 2 months are performing. If you're considering buying individual stocks yourself, I use Trading 212. I think the app is fantastic, and I'll leave my referral link in the description to this video. If you use my referral code, once you've deposited money into your account, you'll get a free stock worth up to £100. I actually got a free stock from someone that signed up using my link recently, and my free stock was worth 85 quid, so I was pretty impressed with that. Maybe you'll be just as lucky. So the first stock that we were going to buy was this Cisco Systems. So let's go on. We're going to buy £50 worth of value. As I've said, I'm investing £100 per month into 2 companies, so £50 per company. So we're going to invest £50 worth of value. It buys us 1.655 shares. Review order, Cisco Systems, all looks correct. Send buy order. In a second it should come up approved. There we go, order executed. The next stock we're going to purchase is WW International. This is actually Weight Watchers. I could probably do with actually signing up for them rather than investing in them, as lockdown has done horrible things to my body. But anyway, let's buy some stocks. So £50 worth of value buys us 2.877 shares. Review order. All looks correct to me. Send buy order. Hopefully in a second it will tell us that it's all gone through. There we go, order executed. So we have bought this month's 2 stocks. I will give you an update next month how those 2 stocks are doing, but let's look at the 4 stocks that I've purchased the last 2 months. So first of all, the stocks that I purchased last month. Obviously this is the first month update. So one of the stocks I purchased last month was Discovery. Let's go and see how they're doing. So they are doing not that great. I am £1.33 down, which equates to, oh, it's just popped up, £1.37 down, which is 2.74% down. So again, not that great. This is an ongoing recurring theme, isn't it, with this formula so far? It doesn't seem to be doing that great for me, but maybe it's just an unlucky couple of months, we'll see. Let's have a look at the next stock I purchased, which was HP. With HP, I am actually currently up. I'm up by 32p, which is 0.64% up. So not too bad, not amazing, but at least I've got one that is up. And now onto the 2 stocks I purchased in the first month. Obviously this is their second update. So one of those stocks was Biogen. When I looked into it last month, how they'd been performing, they were down 6.16% last month. Let's see how they've done this month. So since I purchased, I am now 0.34% down. So they seem to have recovered quite well. I am still slightly down. They've just gone down to 18 14p down, which equates to 0.36% down. So I'm almost in the green with them. Hopefully they're going to start working their way upwards. And then the second company I bought 2 months ago was Catalyst Pharmaceuticals. Now, Catalyst Pharmaceuticals had an awful time. If you watched my previous update, you'll know that I was over 35% down on them, 35.8% down. And that was because they'd had some bad news about a patent or something on one of the drugs they were trying to legalise or something like that. I explained it in the last video. So now let's see if I'm still just as down or maybe even more. Again, they've had a slight recovery, still well down. I'm still down by £16.38, which equates to 32.76% down. So they are the 4 stocks that I've purchased so far. As you have seen and as I'm seeing, this formula is not producing the goods. So far it is acting just as how I thought it would, and this is exactly the reason why I'm such a massive fan of low cost index funds. So I had made this very simple spreadsheet just to keep track of what stocks I'd bought when. Part of the formula means that you have to sell the stock after 1 year unless the stock still shows on the formula as a good stock to buy. Then you can decide to keep it if you wish. So I've added my 2 latest purchases with the number of shares that I purchased along with the cost per share. So overall, with the 6 stocks I've purchased, including today's 2 purchases, I'm currently about 5.5% down in total. The formula is not acting how I wish it would, but we will keep testing. I'll buy another 2 stocks next month, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you'd like to get updated. Hopefully I'll speak to you soon. Take care.